Hello everyone, welcome back. On this video I have two wall hanging ideas. The first idea is I'm going to do this yarn wall hanging using some wood rings and yarn. So I placed the wood rings in a pattern to see how I want them to hang them, and pretty much this is how it's going to be done. So then I cut the yarn, and I think I cut them 16-inch long, and then I folded in half because that's the height I want, or how long I want my yarn to hang. So I cut around 15 strings of yarn, 60-inch long, and I did a large head knot onto the wood rings. I use a thin yarn, so depending on the yarn that you're gonna use, if you're gonna use a thicker one, that I think you should cut less. It all depends how you want it to look. So now I'm gonna glue the wood rings together, and then I'm gonna wrap yarn to hold them in place. and this is how it looks on the front. The second idea, I did this canvas. All I did is I took a canvas, and this is the message that I want to write on the canvas. So I measure, or I draw some lines to use as a guideline, so I can have some of the words are gonna be 2 inches and other ones are gonna be 1 inch. So I draw lines also to center everything onto the canvas. So the message that I'm going to write is live every moment, laugh every day, and love beyond words. So the 3 keywords, live, laugh, and love, they're going to be 2 inches, and then the other ones are going to be 1 inch. And in between, I'm going to leave half an inch. So here I made a mistake with the lines. I had to leave half an inch after it says every day, and then 2 inch. And also I made a mistake because after live every moment goes laugh every day, and I wrote love. So I'm fixing that. So now I'm going to erase those lines because I'm not sure if I'm going to paint it white, and I don't want those lines to show through, or maybe I use some other colors, I'm not sure. So now I took my hot glue gun and I went over each letter to give it dimension. And with a lot of patience, I remove all those glue strings because then it's going to show when you paint or when I painted my canvas. So I decided to paint it, so I'm going to use 3 shades of beigey or taupe or brown. It all depends how you see the colors. So I gave it 3 coats of paints for each color. Guys, hope you like this video. Remember to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Be safe, everyone.